Hello, my name is Javier Bofarull and this is the third assignment for the course Introduction to Music Production. This time I have chosen the topic Demonstrate how to record and edit automation in your DAW. In my case I'm using Sonar 8. The basic way to add automation to a mix is in real time, just as you would with a hardware mixer that supports the automation. This usually involves putting the mix parameters you want to modify into write mode, starting playback of your song and either physically moving faders on a control surface or using the mouse to manipulate on screen controls. When you've made your moves, you switch write mode off, and when you play back the song, your on-screen faders will follow the moves you made during the automation pass. All DAWs also allow you to view automation data graphically and provide lots of tools for editing previously recorded data. This can be used to touch up automation that has been recorded in real time, but they also permit you to simply draw in automation data from scratch. To show you how to do it, I've created a project using 3 software synthesizers which come with Sonar. These are Session Drums, True Pianos, and Z3TA+. I have used as well 3 audio tracks for the voices, as you can see here. To record automation in any track, we have to activate the right button, as we can see here. Each track has the right button. And this time I want to make a fade in on the master track, so the music will start from nothing. The button read has to be activated as well, in order to be able to read the automation movements. We can see all the parameters that can be automated because they've got a red square on them. If I press right, you see all the red squares. If we right-click on the right button, let's do it, we can choose how to make the movements. I will choose Remote Control, and from all the instances I've got, I will use the pitch bend of the MIDI keyboard to make them. In this case, it's called Rueda. We accept. We could do it as well with the mouse or a controller, for example. But I've got it now, I have to move it with my MIDI keyboard. As you can see, when I move the pitch bend, the volume goes up and down. Now we just have to play the song and start moving the volume to make a fade in, and stop the music when we are satisfied. Now I'll put the volume, the fader to 0, and just play. So let's see if it works. We just play the song and we can see that the button moves on its own. Once it's done, we turn off the right button. This is important, so we don't do any movements that are undesired later on. Well, now I will change to the screen that we have the tracks, and as we can see here, we've got the movements that we've created before, the volume. We could as well move the points and do it by hand, right? Just moving any point, we are moving the volume as well. It's like if we were playing with a fader. Let's see. Well, following these steps, you can record any parameter you want and automate it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next week. Bye all.